translation?
That's funny because today I had a shooting and they wanted me to say a phrase in Arabic, but they wanted me to sound Jordanian, which I'm not. So I practiced a lot, but still I had issues, of course, because when I hear it and I say it, I feel like I say exactly the same.
Yeah.
But the person in front of me was telling me no. You
And-
have
and
to
what
say
was
it
the
like
word?
this.
Can you say?
العقل. تاخد العقل.
تاخذ العقل.
And I couldn't, and I thought it's the same. I'm saying the same to you
Yeah.
as you are saying to me. And he said, no, you don't.
Hey, hello, and welcome to my blog podcast series, introducing my new application with people who actually would benefit from, sharing their insights, experiences, so you can know more about it and decide on whether you like it or not. So write down your opinion. I'm waiting to hear from you. So yeah, that's what it's all about. Here I'm your host, Ran Fazza, and on my watch, this series will introduce you to Habibi app. And this time, people, I'm taking it seriously. I'm excited and thrilled to introduce you to my guests. And about the first episode, it's not about what I have just done, but also how I'm taking my application to the next level. We are going to kick it off. Stay there, be tuned. My guests today, Celine and Ahmed. Overall, great to have you here, guys. Please introduce yourself.
Okay. Hello, I'm Celine from Germany and Turkey. I've been living here for 1.5 years and still I don't speak any Arabic, unfortunately. I attempt to learn, but it was kind of complicated. I had the feeling I have to go to a school or a course to learn Arabic, but I don't have the time to go. So my problem is that I started understanding words, especially that I'm speaking Turkish. We have a lot of words in common, but I cannot make phrases. Really basic phrases maybe, but it's really difficult for me to understand the Arabic language. So that's why I don't speak it and I want to learn it. And for now I couldn't find any online thing or application that would be useful for me.
So yeah, Celine, you read the proposal of Habibi app and you know how it works, right? So can you tell me, how do you think Habibi app will improve your learning experience in Arabic language? And if you can, tell me the challenges you have faced in learning Arabic.
I feel like sometimes I had to use Google Translate in an emergency situation where this person in front of me doesn't understand any English, so I had to figure out. But from my previous experiences, especially in English, German, French, Spanish, Turkish, the languages that I'm speaking, that Google Translate is not very accurate. So I feel like the sentence that you type in your language and the language that you want the translation to, I feel like it's not correct. So that's why I assume that in Arabic it would be the same. So I tried it sometimes. For example, I wrote a German sentence and I translated in Arabic and the person in front of me didn't understand.
Still, yeah.
So
How do you think Habibi app would help you?
So I feel like the future that you can have a 24/7 call, for example, could help me, or phrases used in the daily life. I feel like they will be more present in this application, more than a phrase that I'm not going to use in my daily life anyways. So maybe, I don't know, because I don't understand what Google Translate is doing, but maybe this is more of another dialect or something. But what I need, for example, in my daily life is when I go to my fruit and veggie shop or to my supermarket, I need to talk to people. So I need the basic things. And I hope from the Habibi app that it will make it happen.
So what do you think regarding the colloquial pronunciation as the delivery way, or let's say the technique that Habibi app help you speak in the Arabian dialects?
Yeah, so to learn Arabic is one thing, but to understand different dialects and accents is another thing, which is actually important to me, not only for different Arabic countries or like people here in Jordan. Like I probably talk mostly to Jordanians, but I am from Germany and we have a lot of Moroccan, Tunisian people there, so I want to understand their Arabic or their accent, their dialect. Same as when I travel, because I love to travel. So when I go to different Arabic countries outside of Jordan, I would like to understand or see the way they pronounce things or say words. That could be cool. So that's why I think it's great future on the Habibi app to actually listen to accents
Different
from
accents.
yeah.
Yes.
And you are using the native people, right?
The
Like-
native
Yeah.
speakers,
Yeah,
like
speakers.
the
Yeah.
day-to-day
We
dialect.
don't speak
Yeah.
Fusha, the
Arabic.
classical modern standard Arabic. So it would be funny if you speak
Yeah,
the standard Arabic.
yeah,
So saying it in the colloquial way, how we say it, is more effectively on the person you talk to.
yeah. But on the application, the different dialects are spoken by actually like a Lebanese person, a Syrian person.
Yes,
Yeah.
or the
So-
same accent.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah. So
Interesting.
yeah. So we have like a different people from different countries, Arabian
Amazing.
countries, Tunisian, Moroccan people,
Yeah.
Lebanese, Syrian,
Yeah.
all in all.
So you guys may know that Habibi app is about language in use, but maybe my audience is still. So let's make it clear. It's a tool to use the language in your daily life, wherever you go and wherever you
Yeah,
want.
like in your daily life
Yes.
and stuff. Yeah.
You don't know how to write it, or just how you speak it.
Yeah. Because writing is a different story. You have
Yeah.
to learn the letters, everything.
And you are busy, so you don't
Yeah.
have time
Yeah.
to go to courses and have
Yeah.
time to
No, I
start-
would love to learn the street language, to have conversations with people, to understand what they're talking about. That's about it.
So that's the main
So
focus.
it's
other than
about
listening,
listening and speaking only.
Yeah, I got you. Yeah, I understand. Yeah, it's great. Something I would really use in my daily life.
Hopefully, if I
Yeah.
had that money,
Yeah.
I would develop it actually. And it's for free because it supports analysis and studies.
Like there's no hidden fees.
No
Like,
hidden fees, yes.
If I want to, let's say, use the call, should I just?
No hidden fees. Free and no hidden fees. You didn't.
Great.
You didn't.
Yeah, I wrote it even. It was like so that's not also combined with like ads or something that
Yeah.
pop up all the time.
There's no ads
Yeah, perfect.
because it's already.
So it's user friendly. Like you don't get like bored of this app because something is popping up all the time or annoying or something.
It's like a non-profit
Yeah,
application supporting the data
yeah,
to help the analysis and the studies around the world to study Arabic and Arabic varieties and how it effectively help foreign people.
yeah.
So let's say starting from this application, is there like any way for a goal to reach at the end, maybe like to enhance it?
Yeah, sure, Ahmed. But let me conclude first. As we said before, the focus of the application is on the listening and speaking skill, where the non-native speaker of Arabic must need is the language in use, how to say something in Arabic and how to spell it right regarding the context and setting. And the main premise of the application actually is to expose the learners to different dialects in order to facilitate the learning process for those interested in learning Arabic language and for students who had studied a semester or a year in the Middle East but then left to their homelands. And in future, hopefully, Habibi app will be one of the main sources for the spoken Arabic varieties resources on the internet, as long as every time the user makes a call, the call will be recorded immediately and added to the library. Thank you guys for being here today, and for my audience, please leave a comment, tell me what do you think, and if Habibi app was your app, how would you develop it?